In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix HP laptop volume too low. It's a quick fix, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. So the first thing you want to do is force Windows loudness equalization. So we're going to go ahead and press Windows key and R, and then type in sys.cpl, like so, and then press enter. This is going to open your core sound control panel, like so. And then under the playback tab, right click your active speakers, so whatever speakers you're using. Mine is this right here. And all you want to go ahead and do is right click it and then select properties. Then go ahead and click the enhancements tab. And you're going to see a box for loudness equalization. Click apply and then click OK. And then once you're gone ahead and done with that, what you want to go ahead and do is go over to the bottom right and just make sure your volume slider is turned up all the way to 100%. Now your headset or whatever you might be using might also have a separate volume slider on the headset, or maybe you're using like one of those like wireless or wired like little toggle devices where you can change volume for your headset, like I have on my SteelSeries. And yeah, if you increase the volume on that, that's also going to help you because it is separate to your Windows volume. Now if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.